In today's video, I am making a Crock-Pot pasta chicken recipe. Stay tuned. Welcome back to Live, Laugh, Love with Jen. Today is Foodie Friday, and Foodie Friday is hosted by Tiffany from Small Town 6 and Jessica Myrose from Jessica Myrose, and I'm going to link their channels along with some other recipes that you can find down in my description box below. I'm also wearing red today because today is Go Red. Today is a day that we bring awareness to women's heart health. As a heart warrior, I think this is so important. So I hope if you guys get the chance today, you will put on your red as well to support all the heart warriors out there. We never know when we could get afflicted by heart health. It's important to try to do all the preventative things like we can, like eat lower sodium, exercise, keep a low stress lifestyle, all of those things. But like in my situation, my heart was attacked by a virus, so those are things beyond our control. So just remember to live each day to its fullest and just help me to bring and share awareness of women's heart health. So let's get busy making this recipe. So to make this recipe, I used 2 chicken breasts, and I went ahead and put those down in the crock pot because I honestly just do not like to show those. I'm not a big fan of raw meat. But anyway, I used 2 large chicken breasts, and to that I add a block of cream cheese, and I just cut my cream cheese up into little slices just to make it more consistent, and because I like to do that. Then I put in some ranch dressing, and I put in this case, I put in 2 cans of reduced sodium cream of chicken soup. I normally use cream of mushroom soup, but you could use cream of onion soup or any type of creamed soup that you want to add. As I add my ingredients, I want to take just a moment to introduce myself in case you're new to my channel. My name is Jen. I am a former teacher who still has a passion for teaching, so I love to teach you guys how to do things here on my channel, which is focused mainly around homemaking, lifestyle, that kind of thing. I have a lot of variety, and I would love for you to become part of my YouTube family by clicking on that subscribe button. Also, I am a heart warrior, and I love to inspire others, and I just want to take a moment to thank all of my subscribers. I love getting to know each and every one of you guys. I love interacting with you down in the comments. You guys mean so much to me. And so I'm adding the soup, and in this case I did add cream of chicken just because that's what we had on hand. I normally use cream of mushroom, which I really like, and I think it adds so much to this, but you could use any kind of cream soup that you want to add. I do buy the reduced sodium because I do watch my sodium intake, and there is sodium hidden in so many things. I think about that even as I'm putting in this ranch packet, because I don't know if you know this or not, but ranch dressing actually contains sodium as well. Also, the cream cheese contains a little bit of sodium too, so you have to take all of that into account whenever you are cooking. So I am not the kind of person that ever adds extra salt to any of my foods, because anything that's processed, like canned or anything, already has salt in it. I cook it on low for 5 to 6 hours. About 20 minutes before it's time to serve the dish, I boil some pasta, any kind of pasta. I like to use the bow tie pasta, and I boil the pasta, and then I add the pasta to my dish, and I mix it all together, and it just makes a really hearty meal for the whole entire family. There's always plenty of leftovers. I kind of shred that chicken up a little bit, and then I'm just going to plate it and just do a small portion on a plate. And I am going to add just a little bit of Parmesan cheese on top. That is normally a step that I do not do. I know that this is not the most colorful recipe in the world, and I could probably add some vegetables in there to make it more colorful, but honestly, it tastes so good and would be perfect for these cooler winter months. So I hope that you guys will give it a try because it's few ingredients, it's fairly inexpensive, and it tastes so good. Thank you guys so much for watching today's video, and I did film this video a while back. That's why you see the fall decorations in the background, but I hope you enjoyed this. I hope you try it out. If you do, let me know how you liked it, and please like, comment, and subscribe. And thank you so much, Tiffany and Jessica, for hosting this collaboration. And remember, take time to live, laugh, and love today. I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.